Welcome back to the channel. If you are over 60 and you travel even a few times a year, there is a good chance you are missing out on benefits that could make your trips easier, less stressful, and sometimes even cheaper. Because here is the truth. Airlines and airports rarely go out of their way to explain these things clearly. Some of these perks are official policies. Others depend on the airline, the airport, or even the gate agent you speak with. But experienced travelers know something most people do not. The travelers who ask smart questions often get treated very differently from the travelers who stay silent. Today, we are walking through 10 airport and airline perks that many senior travelers either overlook completely or never realize they can request. Some can save you money, some can save you stress, and a few could completely change the way you handle long travel days. Let's start with number 10. Free wheelchair assistance and electric cart rides. A lot of people assume wheelchair assistance is only for travelers with severe medical conditions. That is not true. If walking long airport distances is difficult, tiring, painful, or stressful, you can usually request wheelchair assistance through the airline at no extra charge. And in massive airports like Atlanta, Dallas, Chicago O'Hare, or Heathrow, this can make an enormous difference. Some terminals feel endless. You may have long connections, crowded walkways, train systems, escalators, or gates located 20 minutes apart. Many airports also use electric carts to help transport passengers through terminals when available. The important thing is this: you do not need to look disabled to request assistance. If mobility is becoming harder while traveling, use the service. You can usually request it when booking your flight, inside the airline app, by phone before departure, or at the airport check-in desk. And one thing many travelers love: if you are traveling with a spouse or companion, they are often allowed to stay with you throughout the assistance process. That alone can reduce a huge amount of airport stress. Number 9. Easier TSA screening for older travelers. Many travelers over 75 do not realize TSA screening is often modified for older passengers. In many cases, travelers over 75 may keep light jackets on, leave shoes on, receive modified screening procedures. But here's the important part. This is not the same thing as TSA PreCheck. You are not automatically getting expedited security lines or skipping standard procedures entirely. However, TSA officers are often instructed to use more flexible screening methods for older travelers when appropriate. And here's a useful tip most people never think about. If you have medical devices, mobility concerns, joint replacements, or difficulty standing for long periods, tell the TSA officer before screening starts. Do not wait until alarms go off. That one conversation can make the process much smoother. Another smart move: try booking early morning flights. Airports are often calmer, security lines are shorter, and delays tend to snowball later in the day. Experienced travelers know this can dramatically reduce travel stress. Number 8. Senior airfare. Discounts still exist. A lot of people think senior airfare discounts disappeared years ago. Some did, but not all of them. Several airlines still offer discounted senior fares on select routes, especially international routes or specific regions. The problem is, many booking websites never show them. That means if you only search through third-party travel sites, you may never even see the discount option. Some airlines may offer senior fares for travelers over 60, 62, or 65, depending on the airline and destination. And sometimes the difference is not huge, but even saving $50, $100, or getting more flexible ticket changes can matter on expensive international trips. Always check the airline's official website directly. And if you cannot find anything online, call. A surprising number of airline discounts still exist quietly through phone reservations. Number 7. Medical devices usually fly free. This one can save travelers a lot of unnecessary baggage fees. Medical equipment generally does not count against your standard baggage allowance. That includes items like CPAP machines, portable oxygen concentrators, walkers, canes, mobility aids, insulin coolers. Many travelers do not realize this and end up stressing over bag limits unnecessarily. Now here's the important part. Keep medications in original labeled containers whenever possible. And if you travel with important medical equipment, bring documentation from your doctor just in case questions come up during screening or boarding. Most of the time you will never need it, but experienced travelers prepare for problems before problems happen. That mindset alone prevents a huge amount of airport frustration. Number 6. Early boarding is often available if you ask. This is one of the most overlooked things in air travel. Many airlines allow passengers who need extra time boarding the aircraft to board early. and that can include older travelers who may need additional time getting settled comfortably. Now, this is important. Not every airline handles this the same way. Some are very accommodating, others are stricter, but politely speaking with the gate agent before boarding begins can make a big difference. And honestly, early boarding is not just about convenience. It avoids one of the most stressful parts of flying: the overhead bin chaos. Everyone pushing forward, people lifting heavy bags over your head, passengers blocking the aisle while you are still trying to sit down. Avoiding that alone can make a flight feel dramatically calmer. Number 5. Better seats. Sometimes open up near boarding time. Here is something frequent travelers learn quickly. Flights change constantly in the final 30 minutes before boarding. Passengers miss connections, cancellations happen, seats suddenly become available. And sometimes gate agents have flexibility to move passengers into aisle seats, exit row seating, or extra legroom seats, depending on availability. Nothing is guaranteed, but calm travelers who ask respectfully often have better luck than people who never ask at all. One smart strategy is to approach the desk around 20 minutes before boarding begins, not when the agents are overwhelmed at the very start. Timing matters, and if you have a long international flight ahead, a better seat can completely change your energy level after landing. Number 4. Companion gate passes still exist. Most people think airport security rules completely ended gate passes years ago, but some airlines and airports still allow non-ticketed companions through security in special situations. This can be especially helpful for older travelers, nervous flyers, passengers needing assistance, or travelers unfamiliar with airports. Policies vary heavily by airport. Some airports allow it regularly, others restrict it during busy periods. But if having a family member help you to the gate would make travel easier, call the airline ahead of time and ask whether escort passes are available. For some travelers, this removes a huge amount of anxiety before a flight even begins. Number 3. Long delays. Sometimes come with compensation. This is one area where many travelers leave money or benefits on the table simply because they never ask questions. When delays happen because of issues within the airline's control, some airlines may provide meal vouchers, hotel accommodations, transportation assistance, especially during major disruptions. But policies vary dramatically by airline and country, and airlines rarely volunteer compensation immediately. This is where calm persistence matters. Document delays, keep receipts, and politely ask what options are available. Many travelers never realize they qualify for assistance because they assume the answer is automatically no. Number 2. Airport lounges may be easier to access than you think. A lot of travelers assume lounges are only for wealthy business travelers. Not anymore. Many credit cards now include lounge access, lounge discounts, or delay-related airport benefits. And during major delays, some airlines occasionally provide lounge access vouchers depending on the situation. Again, nothing is guaranteed, but asking politely during long delays can sometimes lead to surprisingly helpful solutions. And honestly, after sitting in a crowded terminal for 4 or 5 hours, a quiet lounge with comfortable seating, food, and cleaner restrooms can feel worth every penny, especially on long international travel days. Number 1. The most experienced senior travelers plan for energy, not just price. This is the biggest mindset shift of all. A lot of travelers spend weeks hunting for the absolute cheapest flight. Then they end up exhausted, stressed, stuck in terrible connections, walking endless terminals, or arriving completely drained. Experienced senior travelers start prioritizing something else: energy preservation. That means paying slightly more for non-stop flights, avoiding impossible layovers, choosing better departure times, using airport assistance when needed, and reducing unnecessary stress. Because the goal is not simply arriving. The goal is arriving feeling good enough to actually enjoy the trip. And honestly, that mindset changes everything. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and share it with someone who loves traveling. And let me know down in the comments which one of these surprised you the most. Don't forget to subscribe for more senior travel tips, smarter airport strategies, and ways to make flying easier and more comfortable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Safe travels, everyone.